welcome to the first Think Inside the Box Spring Break Challenge. Challenge number 1 is a marble run, so grab your box and let's get started. The materials you'll need to build your marble run are some paper straws, a handful of popsicle sticks or craft sticks, you can also use tape. Snazzy colors are awesome, but you can use any tape you have on hand. Some marbles, of course. You can use glue as well as tape, or hot glue if you have it. And also scissors or a craft knife or an X-Acto knife, but be careful with that. And of course, you're going to need your box to build the marble run in, and this box can be any size. You can go really big, or you can make a small marble run too. Some other materials that will help you build your marble run are things you might have at home, like recycled tubes from paper towels or toilet paper rolls. Also, some of those coffee pods that you might have lying around that can't be recycled easily. You can use those to catch a marble at the end of your marble run. Some rolls of tape are handy too. What we're also going to use are some of the cardboard flaps from our box. So what we can do is carefully cut these flaps off of the box that we're using for our marble run, and those are going to help us build the run itself too. After the flaps on our box have been carefully cut off, and remember, you can always ask an adult for help with this part, we're going to start designing the track that our marble is going to go down. You're also going to need to cut a hole in the top of your box so you can launch your marble through it. Then you can tilt your box up or sit it upright, and that will be the run for your marble. And don't forget to also cut a hole at the very bottom, just here, for your marble to shoot out of. Oh, and there goes the tape. So you can position your material in any different way you want. You can also cut it to smaller pieces so it fits a little bit better. Test as you go and glue or tape down pieces when you're happy with your design. You can also use your straws to make obstacles for your marble, and small cups or containers for your marble to land in. You can use some of those empty cardboard tubes as chutes for your marble to travel through. Or you can even take your popsicle sticks and use them as guides for your marble to travel through the run. Here's our completed marble run. You can see we used the cardboard tubes, tape, paper straws, and popsicle sticks. And it worked! I hope you have fun building your own marble run, and join us tomorrow for challenge number 2.